do you feel that government is going in the right way? I'm asking you this out of yellow sky question. I'm not asking about yellow sky.
I get it.
You might not ask help from government.
So, but to be very honest, considering the new leadership that have come into IT department, Rohan Khote. I mean, I've known him for a little bit. The kind of work he had done when he was IT minister in past, I felt there was some pretty good, policies that were introduced, and he had done a good job. A lot of vision. So even in fact, I happened to meet him 2 days back, yesterday in fact, and he was quite interested in the project, and he did look like somebody who wants to honestly bring in the change in the technology, segment. So I'm having high hopes, and I'm definitely expecting some fireworks from Rohan Khote's IT minister, definitely.